Kia ora koutou, ko te aho, haramai, welcome to today's Makerspace. First we have a few quick brain teasers and then we will be back with our main activities. Here they come. Remember, pause if you need to. Well, welcome back. In today's activities, we are going to be doing some air experiments. You will need a few special materials, so let's take a look at those and have a closer look at what we're going to do today. So let's take a closer look at the things we need for this particular experiment that we have. We're going to make a little hover machine with this. So you'll need just one of these items, but just in case we need to make a couple and test them out. So we've got some used CDs. We have these available in the library if you need them. We need the top of a water drink bottle. So we've got a top of a pump bottle here, and we need a balloon as well, and we need some hot glue. Now, if you would like to make something nice to go on the top and cover what you've got on your CD, you could use paper, coloured paper, or you could use plain paper and just use some pencils or textures to do some colouring in and make a really cool pattern. So I have just glued my paper onto the disc, and the next thing we're going to do, which is all going to be relatively simple, as soon as our glue gun is ready, is we are going to glue the top of the pump bottle onto our CD. Now I've actually just taken off the little connector there because I think that will work a little bit better. So we're just going to glue that onto there. You may need an adult to help with a glue gun. So we'll just pop that on there, making sure it's over the centre. And we will just hold that down. And make sure the cap is lifted up. So we're just going to wait for that to dry and come back in a few minutes. Alright, so it's been a couple of minutes. Hopefully this is dry and secure. The next thing we need to do is blow up our balloon. Twist it around the end, like that. And place the end over the top of the bottle lid, like that. Make sure the lid's still popped up, because it might go down when you put the balloon on, and let it go. See how well you can make your hovercraft go. For our next activity, now let's look at air and flight. For this, you'll need 4 sheets of tissue paper, and it's up to you what size you would like to make that. We need our hot glue gun again. We're going to need some scissors and something to draw with as well, possibly a pen, but just mark lightly on the tissue paper. So the first thing we need to do is have 4 sheets exactly the same size. You'll see mine's not very big. So we're going to fold it over like so, and we're going to draw a half balloon shape on here. Like so. Now, holding all those pieces of paper together, we're going to cut that out. So there we go. Right, the next bit is a little bit tricky, so we need 2 sheets to start with, and we're going to put glue, hot glue, so you might need an adult to help, on 1/2 of the balloon. Now try not to make it too thick, because that will add to the weight and that might hamper our ability to make our balloon fly. Take another piece of your tissue paper and just lay it over the top. Sit down lightly. To make a nice seal. We need to do that for the next piece. So carefully open that out. Apply glue. Take our third sheet, place that over the top. Glue that together. You need to pull that over again, around the edge. Take our last piece, secure that down, and finally we need to join the last 2 pieces together. So our balloon should look something like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a little roll of cardboard inside here and attach that as well. Now we need some more hot glue. We just need to pop that on that piece of cardboard. Try not to add too much, but we do want it to be secure. Oops. It's going to be a little bit tricky. You might need an adult to help. If you can't fit that right inside, that's absolutely fine, because we don't want too many air holes. So if that started to stick, that's absolutely fine. And I just want to also make sure, go around your balloon and make sure that you don't have any air holes. And if you do find some, just make sure you mend those, maybe with a little bit of hot glue. And a little bit of tissue. Okay, it's time to test our balloon.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's activities. I look forward to seeing you again, which will be in another couple of weeks after the school holidays. Ka kite anō.